Hello, this is Somitra and today we will have a look at what is known as engulfing pattern in candlestick charts. Before we jump into the discussions, subscribe for the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever there is a new video. An engulfing pattern is a two-candle pattern. A bullish engulfing pattern is formed when, during a downtrend, a white real body wraps around a black real body. A bearish engulfing pattern is completed when, during a rally, a black real body envelops a white real body. The engulfing pattern visually shows how the opposing forces had gained control of the market. For example, a bullish engulfing pattern reflects how the bulls have wrested control of the market from the bears. A bearish engulfing pattern shows how a superior force of supply has overwhelmed the bulls. The Japanese say that with a bearish engulfing pattern, the bulls are immobilized. We previously saw how with the dark cloud cover, the bears were able to move prices into the prior white real body, but with the bearish engulfing patterns, the power of the bears was such that they were able to pull the close under the entire prior white real body. The same concept can be used to compare a piercing pattern to a bullish engulfing pattern. With the piercing pattern, the bulls counterattack strongly enough to push the close of the second white real body well into the prior black real body. However, with the bullish engulfing pattern, the bull's strength is that much greater since the close of the white candle session is above the top of the prior black real body. Although this generally means that the bearish engulfing pattern more bearish than a dark cloud cover, and a bullish engulfing pattern more bullish than a piercing pattern, it is equally important to see where these patterns emerge before deciding which is more important. For instance, a piercing pattern that confirms a major support area should be viewed more likely as a bottom reversal signal than a bullish engulfing pattern that does not confirm support. This vital aspect of viewing the candle patterns in conjunction with the overall technical picture will be discussed in upcoming videos. The basic definition of an engulfing pattern is that the second real body must engulf an opposite color real body. However, not all engulfing patterns are equally important. The importance of the engulfing pattern is dependent on the relative size of the real bodies, the relationship of the shadows to one another, and other factors. For example, the strictest definition of an engulfing pattern would be if the first candle is small and the second candle very large, and the second real body wraps around the entire first candle, including its shadows. The next strictest definition would be if the shadows of the second candle exceeded the shadows of the first candle. In other words, on the second day of the engulfing pattern, the market made a higher high and a lower low. As with a dark cloud cover, if the market surpasses an engulfing pattern, it is said to go opposite to the pattern. This means that if prices close above the top of the bearish engulfing pattern, including the upper shadows, the outlook turns from bearish to bullish.